We often hear marketers grappling with the question, why is my digital marketing not bringing the desired results? My advertisements are good and optimized, but still not getting sales. My competitors are performing much better with the same type and price of products. The answer often lies in the strategy, and the heart of the strategy is an effective campaign approach. Hello everyone, I'm Ankur Sharma, Director of Brandshark. Today we are going to deep dive into why a campaign approach is essential in digital marketing. So let's get started. Campaign approach is about defining clear objectives, targeting specific audience, and tackling measurable outcomes for each marketing initiative. It's about organizing your efforts into a well-planned strategic campaigns, each telling a unique story of your brand. Imagine your brand as a book and each campaign as a chapter. A well-written chapter leaves a lasting impression, doesn't it? One framework that helps design effective campaign is the funnel approach, mapping the customer's journey from awareness to conversion. It has three main stages: awareness, engagement, and conversion. In the awareness stage, you capture the attention of potential customers. The engagement stage involves building a relationship with your audience, and in the conversion stage, you influence decision making to convert potential customers into actual ones. Now let's look at how we applied these concepts to a real world case with Tropilite, an FMCG brand known for its whipping cream. Their challenge: making a successful entry into the premix market. We designed a three-pronged campaign strategy for Tropilite, focusing on awareness, engagement, and conversion for their premixes products. In the awareness stage, we knew we had to make Tropilite premixes known to a larger audience. We invited food influencers to test the product and share their experiences. These influencers, having a large follower base, brought significant exposure to Tropilite's new line of products. We also bundled samples of premixes with their popular whipping cream, which allowed existing customers to discover these new products. Finally, we showcased testimonials of early adopters, further establishing the credibility of the new product line. The engagement stage was all about fostering a stronger relationship with the audience. We ran a unique baking contest where participants bought the product, made unique recipes, and shared BTS videos tagging their friends. This interactive event created a buzz around the brand, provided user generated content, and importantly, reinforced the versatility of the Propylite premixes product. The conversion, we use Google Ads, targeting relevant keywords like pancake premix, vada premix. This approach leveraged the interest we built in the previous stages, reaching out to potential customers at the exact moment they were ready to make the purchase. We also gave attractive bundled offers and free delivery, turning that interest into final purchase decision. Through a well-designed campaign approach, Tropilite made its mark in the premix market. And that's the power of strategic, comprehensive campaign approach. I hope this session was insightful. If you find it helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.